Dream the impossible. Conceive the inconceivable. Redefine what's possible. Make the unmakeable. Unlock new capabilities. Solve unseen problems. Get it right first time. Break down data silos. Capture real-world data. Get real-time insight. Put your data to work. Simulate and test virtually. Optimize like never before. Maximize output and potential, improving everything from your products to production. Gain the innovation edge. Shape your industry. Create lasting change. Let's rethink making. Let's shape a better future. Let's realign the made and natural worlds, using every ounce of our innovation. Let's create better products in new, innovative ways for people and planet. At Hexagon, we exist for potential. We exist for innovation, helping quality reach new levels from idea to service life. We are a partner for the makers of the world, the dreamers, the doers, the designers, the innovators. Let your ideas take flight. Let new realities take root. Redefine what's real. Hexagon, empowering makers.